Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about our habits and hobbies. Do you like to talk about that?
Yes, I do. I think habits and hobbies are important. They make our days interesting and fun.
Great. I have many questions about your daily habits and the things you enjoy. Can we talk about that?
Of course, Alice. I am happy to share my habits and hobbies with you.
Tom, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. every day. I like to start my day early.
That is early. What do you do when you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I make a cup of tea and sit for a few minutes to plan my day.
I also have a morning routine. I usually wake up at 7 a.m., drink a glass of water, and then do some stretching exercises.
Stretching is good. I sometimes do some light exercises, like walking around my house or a short jog in my garden.
That sounds healthy. After your exercises, what do you do next?
I have a simple breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter, and sometimes a boiled egg. I like to keep it light so I feel energetic for the day.
I like a similar breakfast. I often have cereal with milk and a piece of fruit.
A healthy breakfast is very important. It helps me to start the day with energy.
Tom, after breakfast, what do you do next in your day?
I work from home. I check my emails and work on my computer. I also read some news online.
That is interesting. I study at a local college. I take classes in the morning and sometimes in the afternoon.
Studying is a good habit. It helps you learn new things every day.
Yes, I try to study for at least 2 hours each day. I also review my notes in the evening.
I admire your discipline. I try to read a little every day to improve my knowledge. I read articles, short stories, or sometimes a book.
Reading is a great habit. It makes you smarter and gives you new ideas. Now, Tom, let's talk about hobbies. What hobbies do you have?
I have several hobbies. I like to play the guitar, read books, and go for long walks in nature. I also enjoy cooking simple meals.
That is nice. I love reading, and I also enjoy drawing and painting. I find it very relaxing.
Drawing and painting are creative hobbies. I like that you use your imagination.
Yes, I feel very happy when I paint. What about you? How did you start playing the guitar?
I started playing the guitar when I was 16 years old. My father gave me a small guitar as a birthday gift, and I learned a few chords. Now, I like to play simple songs every day.
That sounds fun. Do you practice often?
Yes, I practice for about 30 minutes in the evening. Sometimes I even play my favorite songs for my family.
It is great to have a hobby that you can share with your family. Tom, do you have any sports as a hobby?
Yes, I enjoy outdoor activities. I like to play football with my friends on the weekends and ride my bicycle in the park.
I love outdoor sports too. I often go jogging in the morning and sometimes play tennis with my neighbor.
Tennis is a good sport. It helps you stay active and have fun with friends.
Yes, and jogging makes me feel very energetic. I like the fresh air when I run in the park.
Fresh air is important for our health. I also like to walk in the park and sometimes have a picnic with my family.
Picnics are wonderful. It is a good way to relax and enjoy nature. Tom, aside from sports, what do you do for relaxation?
For relaxation, I like to listen to music and sometimes watch a movie. I also enjoy cooking. I try new recipes and make simple dishes.
I love music too. I listen to soft music when I study or relax at home.
Music is very relaxing. It can change your mood and help you feel calm.
Yes, and watching a good movie is also a nice way to relax after a busy day.
I agree. On rainy days, I like to sit by the window with a cup of tea and watch my favorite films.
That sounds very pleasant. Cooking, reading, and listening to music are great hobbies that make our days better. Do you read books as a hobby, Tom?
Yes, I love to read books. I like reading novels and stories about different cultures. It is interesting to learn about other people's lives.
I also read a lot. Sometimes I read for 1 hour every day before bed. I enjoy fantasy stories and adventure books.
Reading helps you improve your vocabulary and learn new ideas. I also read short articles on the internet about science and history.
That is very educational. I often visit a library on weekends to borrow new books.
Libraries are wonderful places. They are quiet and full of interesting information.
I sometimes attend a reading club at the library. We talk about our favorite books and share our thoughts.
That sounds very nice. I would like to join a reading club someday too.
Tom, are you learning any new skills as a hobby?
Yes, I am trying to learn how to cook new recipes. I watch simple cooking videos and try to make dishes like pasta, salads, and soups.
That is a great hobby. I want to learn more about photography. I enjoy taking pictures of nature and my city.
Photography is a wonderful skill. It helps you see the beauty in everyday life.
Yes, and it is fun to capture a moment in time. I also think about learning a new language someday.
Learning a new language is challenging, but very rewarding. I am thinking about studying Spanish because it is a beautiful language.
That is a good idea. New skills help us grow and keep our minds active.
Exactly. I believe hobbies and learning new skills make our life more interesting.
Tom, do you use social media as a part of your daily habits?
Yes, I use social media a little bit. I check my messages and see what my friends are doing, but I try not to spend too much time on it.
I do the same. I like to use social media to stay in touch with friends, but I also limit my screen time.
It is important to balance screen time with other activities. I prefer reading a book or going outside rather than staying on my phone all day.
I agree. Too much screen time can make you feel tired and less active.
Yes, I set an alarm sometimes to remind me to take a break and walk around.
That is a good habit. It helps you to stay healthy and active. What about your daily routine, Tom? Do you have any habits that help you stay organized?
Yes, I try to follow a daily schedule. I write a small to-do list every morning. I plan my work, my exercise, and my hobbies.
That is a very good habit. I also like to make a list of things to do every day. It helps me not to forget my tasks.
I check my list after breakfast and again at the end of the day. It makes me feel good when I finish my tasks.
A clear routine can reduce stress and help you feel in control.
Exactly. When I plan my day, I feel calm and more productive.
I also spend a few minutes in the evening to reflect on my day and think about what I can improve.
That is a nice habit. Reflecting on your day can help you learn and grow.
Tom, do you have a good sleep habit?
Yes, I try to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every night. I go to bed at the same time every day.
That is very important. I also try to sleep early so that I wake up fresh.
Before sleeping, I like to turn off my phone and read a little bit. It helps me relax.
I do that too. I sometimes listen to soft music or a short meditation before I sleep.
Good sleep is a key habit for good health and energy.
Yes, when I sleep well, I feel happy and ready to face the day. Tom, what do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to spend more time on my hobbies. I usually wake up late, have a nice breakfast, and then go for a long walk.
That sounds very relaxing. I like to use weekends to paint and draw in my small art studio at home.
Painting is a wonderful way to express yourself. Do you also visit the park on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I go to the park to sketch or take photos. I enjoy the natural light and the quiet atmosphere.
I sometimes join my friends for a game of football on Saturday mornings. It is fun and good exercise.
Playing sports with friends is a great way to relax and have fun.
Yes, and I always feel happy after spending a day doing things I enjoy.
Tom, do you join any clubs or groups for your hobbies?
Yes, I recently joined a local music club. We meet once a week to play our instruments and share songs.
That is wonderful. I belong to a book club. We meet every month to talk about the book we have read.
Being in a club is a good way to make new friends and learn new skills.
I agree. It is nice to share ideas and enjoy common interests with others.
Yes, group activities help me feel more connected and motivated.
I find that discussing a topic with others can also inspire me to try new things.
It is always good to learn from other people's experiences.
Tom, I think our daily habits and hobbies help us live a balanced life.
I agree, Alice. Good habits, like having a routine and taking care of our health, make it easier to enjoy our hobbies.
When I plan my day, I include time for exercise, study, and my creative hobbies. It makes me feel organized and happy.
I do the same. I also set small goals for my hobbies, like learning a new song on the guitar or reading a new book each month.
Small goals help us improve step by step. It is satisfying to see progress over time.
Yes, and it makes life more interesting when you have many activities that you enjoy.
I feel that having a mix of habits and hobbies makes every day unique.
Absolutely. It also helps me manage stress and feel more positive.
Tom, How about we plan a day together to work on our hobbies?
That is a great idea, Alice. What do you have in mind?
We could start with a morning walk in the park. Then we can have a healthy breakfast at a small cafe.
After breakfast, we could go to a local art shop. I know you like painting, and maybe we can buy some supplies together.
Yes, and later we can visit a bookstore. We can pick up a new book or two and share our thoughts about them.
I like that plan. In the afternoon, we can sit in the park and play some music. I will bring my guitar, and you can share some of your favorite songs.
That sounds perfect. A day of walking, eating healthy food, shopping for art, reading, and playing music sounds very fun.
I agree. It is a wonderful way to combine our habits and hobbies in one day.
I will text you later this week so that we can set a day for our activity.
Yes, let's do that. I am excited about our day together.
Tom, I have enjoyed our long talk about habits and hobbies. I learned many new ideas and shared my thoughts with you.
I enjoyed our conversation too, Alice. Talking about our daily routines and hobbies makes me think about how lucky we are to have so many interests.
I feel that good habits and fun hobbies make life balanced and happy.
Yes, and sharing our experiences helps us learn from each other.
I will try to follow the healthy habits we discussed and spend more time on my hobbies.
I will do the same. It is important to have time for ourselves.
Thank you, Tom, for this wonderful conversation. I feel inspired and motivated to improve my daily life.
Thank you, Alice. I feel happy when I talk about my habits and hobbies with you. Let's keep sharing our progress and ideas.
Absolutely. I look forward to our next conversation.
Me too, Alice. Have a great day, and take care of yourself.
Thank you, Tom. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.